Side hustles changed my life, and I know they can do the same for you. If you've ever felt stuck, living paycheck to paycheck, or just feeling like you haven't lived up to your full potential, this is going to be the video for you. Today's going to be your wake-up call to start a side hustle, and I'm going to break down 5 lesser-known online side hustles that can literally change your life. No fluff, no start a YouTube channel nonsense, just real profitable work from home or work from anywhere side hustles that real people are using to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month. And you'll want to stick around because one of these is the exact same side hustles I use to make more than $20,000 a month while living, working, and traveling to more than 100 different countries. So let's go ahead and dig straight in. This one side hustle I don't see anybody else talking about because they don't know how to actually use it. It's called the hidden agency model or digital drop shipping. This one's super wild because literally nobody else is talking about it. It's essentially where you act as the middleman between high-paying clients and profitable, skilled freelancers. Here's exactly how it works, and you can get started in as fast as today. One example is you take a full-time video editor, just go to onlinejobs.ph. That's where I found my editor, and for about $400 to $500 a month, you can hire a full-time editor. Again, you need to sift through about 100 different editors, probably interview 5 to 10 of them, and then you are actually going to go ahead and get a full-time video editor. What I suggest doing is starting a trial for 2 to 3 of them and seeing who delivers the best content, and within a week, you've got your new video editor. The next step is you're going to be the person doing all this marketing and sales because you understand how it works. You're going to go to LinkedIn, you're going to go to Upwork, you're going to get on calls with real clients and real people and offer them their services. Develop a few packages like unlimited videos, unlimited shorts, something like this that's going to be appealing. And then you can sell these packages for $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 per month to this client. And basically your role is now the middleman between the editor and the client, making sure that the quality stays up to par. You're going to be quality checking, building systems, and making sure that those videos that get sent over to client are actually going to be really top-notch videos. And the best part is, even if you don't want to do video editing and you have a skill set or experience in another industry, you can do the same thing. This works for VA services, writing, and a lot of other things that you can do. So what you need to do is just figure out what is your skill set and what is your talent, because most people have something that they can utilize and either white label it themselves or hire that talent out to do it for them. And if you don't want to manage a bunch of people or go through that, then this next side hustle is going to be perfect for you. Most people really underestimate the power of freelancing and think it's only for writers or video editors, but there's a lot of different options for freelancing. And one fun fact, on the platform Upwork, more than 40% of people that are hiring through there are Fortune 500 companies, meaning there's some really high paying gigs out there and you just got to go ahead and apply for them. So a few examples of this are making $5,000 in 60 days, building custom Notion templates for companies. There's a lot of things that I see out there, like if you're good at Excel, if you're good at building automations, if you're good at accounting, no matter what you're doing in your day job, what you can literally do is just get a few extra clients. And this can be the fastest way to add 20, 30, 40% more income onto your day job. So just whatever you're doing at your day job, take the 2 or 3 skills, build a portfolio around that on Upwork, and then you can land 1 or 2 additional clients, and that's going to help you increase your income. This is the fastest way. I've seen people literally get jobs on Upwork in as fast as 4 days. The next side hustle is going to be great for those people who have some savings and just want to replace their income in as few as a few weeks. It's called buying online businesses, profitable websites, or what you can do is buy social media pages and accounts and then monetize them. Here's how it works. This is essentially digital real estate or digital cash flowing, and it's exactly how it sounds. You're buying small profitable websites or online businesses or social media accounts that haven't actually been monetized yet, but they're all getting legit traffic. Now, there's a few things you need to look out for. You need to make sure, one, that all of these sites are legit and that they're not just driving fake bot traffic to them or growing the following in a fake way. There's some really good sites out there. I helped build the company called Empire Flippers, so I'm really biased for them, but I've done a lot of deals with them and I know that their websites are legit. Outside of that, you can look at Flippa, Acquire.com, or if you're looking to buy social media accounts, There's FameSwap or swap.co. Now, again, I want to add a big caveat. You have to perform due diligence on all these social media accounts, all these businesses that yourself if you're going to go through. But this can be the fastest way to go ahead and replace your current income because it's so much easier to have something that's already established and grow it. And so from my personal experience, I've seen 4 or 5 and even 10x growth from just buying already profitable businesses and then implementing new marketing channels on them. For example, you can buy a Pinterest account and then just start adding affiliate links to it, or you can go ahead and buy an Instagram page and then start working with other products, launching your own digital cookbook, stuff like this. So one example I saw on my network is he basically just bought an Instagram page that wasn't monetized yet, and he created digital products for it. It took him 5 or 6 different tries, but on the 6th try, he hit something that really resonated with his audience, and it started earning him an additional $2,000 a month in passive income. If you can understand this video, then this next side hustle is perfect for you. It's teaching English. So I know you're thinking, isn't teaching English just for teachers? Well, not anymore. Platforms like VIPKid, Preply, Cambly pay regular people to chat in English with non-native speakers. No degree is required. You can earn as high as $40 to $60 per hour just for having conversations, helping other people with their pronunciation, and just showing up to a Zoom call. And if you speak another language, you can double your client pool instantly. I've seen people sign up for platforms like italki and start earning as much as $50 per hour in a few weeks. The great thing about all these platforms is you can do as little as 1 or 2 hours per week up to 20, 30, or 40 hours. And imagine if you just did this on the weekend for a few hours, you would be able to increase your earnings by a lot. The best part about this is you can do it from anywhere in the world. All you really need is to know English as your first language and have a good internet connection. The rest is pretty simple. The last and one of my favorite side hustles is building and selling digital products. This is going to be things like ebooks, courses, templates, stuff like that can be really great to sell. Now, if you don't want to sell it yourself, there's a lot of great platforms. These platforms are going to be like Gumroad, Etsy, Podia, Thrivecart. For example, I actually sell my book through Amazon, and this has been a great way to earn passive income. Now, there's a lot of great ways to do this, and it typically starts out by doing research. And what I've seen is you can take something that's working really well on Etsy, but isn't being sold on Gumroad, and all you got to do is create that product and fill that gap. Because the likelihood of it working on one platform, and if it's missing on the other one, it's going to have a good chance of success. And so if you don't want to go through any of this side hustle work of building yourself, I'll actually build you a website and a side hustle in 1 week. I'll give you a product to sell and I'll teach you how to sell it. If you want to learn more about this, you can join my Earn From Anywhere community below, watch the video, and then join. And once you're inside, we'll get you up and running. If you enjoyed this video and if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit subscribe because I'll be putting out new videos every single week.